Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation discussing the neurodevelopmental disorder ADD-ADHD. There are 3 of us in this group, including myself, Jessica Lambert, doing the introduction, Jennifer Yospa, who gives an overview of ADD, ADHD, and the DSM-5, and Janan Leah, who gives a summary of an article titled Prevalence and Correlates of Self-Reported ADD, ADHD, in a Large National Sample of Canadian Adults. Jen starts off our presentation by touching on the definition of ADD-ADHD from the DSM-5. She then walks you through the differences between ADD and ADHD, as well as the diagnostical criteria for each. After going over the specific criteria for each ADD and ADHD, she presents more diagnostic criteria that covers both ADD and ADHD. Jen will then walk you through supporting associated features, stages of development, functional consequences, and comorbidity. The next slide has a link to an 8-minute video documentation of a young man's journey to being diagnosed with ADD. The narrator is a 26-year-old man who creates the video to show both sides of being diagnosed. He interviews others to see what their perspectives of ADD are, and a few of the interviewees stated that they don't believe it is an actual diagnosis, but an excuse for people to be late and not try at work. The narrator was feeling skeptical too, but decided to get tested. After getting tested, he was diagnosed with a severe case of ADD, and the doctor who diagnosed him helped him analyze his test answers to see how she came up with the diagnosis. After the video, Janan reviews an article that goes over a study about the prevalence and correlates of self-reported ADD, ADHD in adults in a large sample in Canada. She will cover statistics found in the study, comparisons of those with and those without ADD, ADHD, findings, correlates, study limitations, and comorbidity as well. At the end of her review, she discusses the clinical significance of the study and results. Lastly, at the end of the presentation, you will find links to 5 different websites that provide information, resources, and answers to frequently asked questions for those living with or supporting those living with ADD, ADHD. These websites provide consumers with a substantial amount of knowledge that could help in more ways than people thought possible when struggling with the diagnosis of ADD, ADHD. You will also find references on the last slide. Thanks for listening, and we hope you enjoy our presentation.